Hello, welcome to my channel. Have you ever pondered about what might be concealed in your nutritious bean sprout salad? It may astound you to discover that danger can be present in even the most harmless of places. Indeed, we're referring to your everyday meals. The significance of food safety is not to be underestimated and is something we should not ignore. After all, our health reflects what we consume, correct? Now, let's consider a recent incident. Chang Farm, a renowned entity in the farming sector, was required to recall their Nature's Wonder Mung bean sprouts. Your question is valid. Why? The answer lies in a looming health hazard. Something as ordinary as a packet of bean sprouts, present in countless pantries and salads in various states, was identified for a potential threat. Now, what exactly transpired with Chang Farm's bean sprouts? Scene script. Imagine a routine day at Chang Farm. The sun is up, casting its golden rays on fields of mung bean sprouts. Workers are busy, meticulously inspecting the sprouts, ensuring they meet the high standards of Nature's Wonder brand. A random sample is taken, a standard procedure, nothing out of the ordinary. But this day was different. The result of the test was unexpected. Listeria monocytogenes, a bacterium that can cause serious health risks, was detected. The air at the farm suddenly thickened. The stakes were high. This wasn't just about business anymore. It was about the health of countless consumers that trust and rely on their products. The decision-makers at Chang Farm knew they had to act swiftly. Listeria monocytogenes is no ordinary bacterium. It can lead to serious infections, especially in individuals with weakened immune systems such as the young, the elderly, and pregnant women. The symptoms are not to be taken lightly either: fever, headaches, stiffness, nausea, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. And for pregnant women, the risks are even graver, potentially leading to miscarriages or stillbirths. Chang Farm was faced with a difficult decision, but at the heart of this story is a principle we can all admire: proactive prevention. Understanding the potential health risks that the bacterium could cause, they knew they had to prevent it from reaching the consumers. In the face of adversity, the decision was made. A recall was the only responsible course of action. It was a decision that prioritized people over profit, health over haste. The affected product, packed in 12-ounce plastic bags and labeled under the Chang Farm brand as Nature's Wonder Premium Bean Sprouts, was to be removed from the shelves of retail stores and wholesalers across Massachusetts, Connecticut, New York, and Maryland. And with that, Chang Farm took immediate action. So, what does a food recall actually look like? Well, let's delve into it using the Chang Farm's recent recall as a case study. When a food product is identified as a potential health risk, like the Nature's Wonder Mung bean sprouts, the wheels of recall set into motion quite rapidly. Firstly, the affected product's distribution is identified. In this case, the bean sprouts had been distributed to retail stores and wholesalers in 4 states. This information is crucial as it helps to pinpoint exactly where the potential risk lies and who might be affected. Next, the process of removing the product from the market commences. This is no small task, as it involves not only the manufacturer but also the retailers, wholesalers, and at times, even transport companies. The goal here is to pull the product off the shelves and halt further distribution as quickly as possible, to minimize the potential exposure to the public. In the case of Chang Farm, they acted swiftly and decisively. The bean sprouts in question were packaged in 12-ounce plastic bags under the Chang Farm brand as Nature's Wonder Premium Bean Sprouts. They bore a sell-by date of December 13, 2023. Retailers and wholesalers in the affected states were promptly instructed to remove the product from their shelves. Now, here's something noteworthy. Despite the presence of Listeria monocytogenes, a bacteria that can cause serious infections, no illnesses have been reported so far. This is a testament to the effectiveness of the recall process. It's a demonstration of how swift action and effective communication can help prevent a potential health crisis. In essence, a food recall is a massive coordinated effort aimed at protecting public health. It's a complex process that demands swift action, clear communication, and a strong commitment to consumer safety. In the case of Chang Farm, it appears they've managed to navigate this process effectively, putting their consumers' health first. But what if you've already bought these bean sprouts? You've checked your fridge and there they are, the recalled bean sprouts. What now? First things first, don't panic, but also don't consume the product. It might seem obvious, but it's worth repeating. The danger lies in the presence of Listeria monocytogenes, a bacteria that can cause serious infections, especially in young children, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems. So what's the next step? Return the product. Take those bean sprouts back to where you purchased them. Chang Farm, the producer of Nature's Wonder Mung bean sprouts, is offering a refund, ensuring that you're not out of pocket for their mistake. While you're at it, check any other packaged bean sprouts you may have. Look for the Chang Farm brand, specifically the Nature's Wonder Premium bean sprouts. The recalled sprouts are packaged in 12-ounce plastic bags and have a sell-by date of December 13, 2023. Now, if you have consumed the product and you're feeling unwell, seek medical attention immediately. Symptoms of a listeria infection can include fever, headaches, stiffness, nausea, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. Finally, reach out to Chang Farm for further inquiries. They can be contacted at 413-522-0234 or 413-222-5519. They should be able to answer any additional questions you may have. Remember, when it comes to food safety, it's better to be safe than sorry. So, there you have it. We've journeyed together through the unseen dangers lurking in our salads, the proactive measures taken by Chang Farm in recalling their Nature's Wonder mung bean sprouts, and the potential health risks associated with Listeria monocytogenes. We've learned about the recall process and the steps that retail stores and wholesalers are taking to keep consumers safe, and most importantly, we've discussed the actions you can take, including returning the product and seeking a refund should you have this product at home. Stay safe, stay informed, and always keep an eye on your sprouts. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more interesting health topics. Stay tuned.